Wow! Hats off to our real life Jhansi ki Rani Kangana ji. Wow! Bravo! Hats off to you. Wow! Wow. Well done. Wow. Hello everyone, this is Emily. क्या हाल है? So guys, recently मैंने एक क्लिप देखा है of Kanra Ranaut ji speaking with Arnab Goswami ji on Republic World. So guys, पहले ये clip देख लेते हैं. So I'm going to watch on my phone and here I go. So let's watch.
और ये जो डिप्रेशन की थियरी है, ये दीपिका पादुकोण जो है वो अचानक से 2015-16 में कहती हैं कि 2008 में मुझे डंप किया गया था, तो मुझे उसका डिप्रेशन आज हो गया है 8 सालों बाद। उसके बाद में बीच में उनके अफेयर भी चल रहे हैं, वो अच्छे से काम भी कर रही हैं, वो बाहर जाके सजती सवरती भी हैं, सब कुछ होता है, शादी भी हो रही है, पर डिप्रेशन साथ साथ में है। ऐसा कैसा डिप्रेशन होता है जो कि 8 साल बाद होता है? और फिर जब वो होता है तो उसके साथ में, बिकॉज आई नो पीपल स्ट्रगलिंग विद मेंटल इलनेस, a huge part of their life goes completely dysfunctional, and it is arguable that can they really ever tap into their full potential as professionals and as in their personal life is arguable, and most will say that they can't because of their limitations. यहाँ जी इनको डिप्रेशन हुआ है, एक ऐसा डिप्रेशन हुआ है जो 8 साल के पहले के ब्रेकअप का अब होता है, और उनका वो बिजनेस बना के बैठी हुई है, और वो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को कहती है कि ही वाज डिप्रेस्ड सो ही जस्ट किल्ड हिमसेल्फ। और उसका देखिए वो पूरा फिर रैकेट जो है उस तरह के कमेंट्स को लाइक करना शुरू करता है, रीट्वीट करना शुरू करता है। मेरा कहना ये है इन सब बुद्धिजीवियों को कि अगर वो कहती है कि मुझे 8 महीने का अफेयर का डिप्रेशन हो गया, अब मेरे बच्चे भी हो जाएंगे तब भी मेरे को वो डिप्रेशन रहेगा, चलो हम मानते हैं। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इट कांट हैपन, इट कैन हैपन, यस। बट जब सुशांत के पिताजी कहते हैं कि वो बाइपोलर नहीं है, वो खुद कहता है कि मैं बाइपोलर नहीं हूं, मैं कहती हूं कि मैं बाइपोलर नहीं हूं, तो व्हाई डोंट यू गिव अस बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट? लेट अस बी ना। जिसको मेंटल इलनेस बनना है वो बने, और जिसको मेंटल इलनेस नहीं बनना है उनको रहने दीजिए ना। आप क्यों हमें जबरदस्ती मेंटल इल बना रहे हैं?
कंगना जी, और एक बात है।
Wow! Hats off to our real life Jhansi ki Rani Kangana ji. Wow! Bravo! Hats off to you. Wow! Wow. Well done. Wow! And guys, उन्होंने जो भी कुछ कहा, it truly takes hell lot of guts, and उनको देख के I truly now have respect for this woman. I mean, wow, this is so amazing. She truly, truly, truly represents Rani of Jhansi, like totally. Guys, this woman has got guts, and she has like a freaking guts to speak out, these words. And we as like our generation is really really lucky to witness a woman like her who has a voice and who can stand on what's right and not following the jhund. So really respect for you. I mean, truly 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 आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा respect है कंगना जी. So hats off, hats off. Guys, to be very honest, उनके लिए ही if you see CBI की जो जांच है वो अभी हो रही है. गाइस, डिप्रेशन एक बहुत ही बड़ी चीज़ होती है. इट्स लाइक मेंटल इलनेस. तो गाइस, मैं इस चीज़ को लेके बहुत ही कंफ्यूज थी कि इज़ इट समथिंग लाइक आई वॉज अज्यूमिंग. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू टॉक टू माई एल्डर सिस्टर अबाउट इट कि व्हाट इज़ इट ऑल अबाउट, एंड उर्मिदी. सो जब मैंने उनके साथ बात की, इज़ इट लाइक you're feeling sad today, you're like little down and you don't want to do anything, and this stuff that's going on, is this the definition of depression? And she was like, no, it is not even a percent of what depression is all about. Depression is like a freaking mental illness, and it is quite serious, guys. And in our society, we truly don't give the importance that it should get. And when someone is speaking about it in national platform, it is like really awesome and it's really commendable. So guys, ये depression होती क्या है? So depression is something, especially bipolar disorder जो होती है, is something, you know, if you're standing somewhere, you are standing somewhere, and it's really hard for you to control your own mind and to direct it to अच्छा ठीक है चलो इधर से उधर move करना है, so that you cannot do during this bipolar disorder. So or otherwise, like when if you are like, you know, standing somewhere and you start crying historically and like for no reason you just start crying and you really can't um, control yourself. So these are the stuff that goes on, and these things are so very serious, guys. And ये ऐसा नहीं होता कि अच्छा आज थोड़ा खराब लग रहा है कल ठीक हो जा रहा है. It's not like that, and it's something, you know, we can control it. We can, if we are feeling sad, हम लोग कुछ देख लिए और नहीं तो किसी से बात कर लिए, मन हल्का हो गया. लेकिन this thing is not something like that. You know, you cannot just control your mind. So really, like, we really need to put importance in this because there are so many people out there who needs medical help. So you know, they really need it, and it's not like you are crazy or something. It is something like you cannot help it. So वो चीज़ we need to accept, our society needs to accept it. What Deepika Padukone was trying to do, guys, is she was trying to kind of normalize this thing, and she was trying to do something that was, you know, it's really casual. It's like ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, you know, kind of a stuff she was trying to create. I mean, if you have taken a responsibility for something like this big and something which is this sensitive, you should know what you're dealing with first of all, and you should know, like, you should take proper responsibility for this, and you should like take care of it instead of like normalizing it in our society and making it seem like it is like, oh, it's not no big deal, or it's not like, okay, that kind of stuff. Yes, depression varies from person to person, and I will not judge her and on the basis of her depression कि अच्छा ठीक है 8 साल पहले ये हुआ and you know this happened because of a relationship or something like that. It's her personal life and I respect it. लेकिन you know कंपैरिजन करना कि मेरा ज़्यादा है आपसे, ठीक है, and this particular thing is just not right and it's not acceptable. You know, if you are suffering from something, you should respect the other person who is suffering from the same thing. So you know, this is like not right कि अच्छा ये comparison कि मेरा ज़्यादा है आपका कम है. So this is really not right, and it's really amazing that Kangna ji has put a light on this. So it's really like hats off to you. I would also like to thank Arnab sir for bringing a light to all of these things. I mean, because of the platform that was given, and because of Republic World, people are like, you know, kind of trying to know, and they're like knowing all these kind of things, and you know, these things are put on light. So without these people, I guess, you know, it wouldn't have been possible. So really thank you to you guys. You know, बहुत दिन बाद अच्छा लग रहा है देखने कि you know the platform which has been given to you is, you know, utilized correctly. So ये चीज़ देख के सच में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and really this is really amazing. Perfect, guys. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like it, and I will still say, if you're feeling depressed, or if you like, depression is something that's very severe, go to a psychiatrist. Like, आप पागल नहीं हो इसके लिए. Even if the society says कि आप पागल हो, it's not like that. You know, you just need to be answerable to you yourself and to your family. That's all. And if you are being good today, like if you are, I mean, if you are being cured today, you can be good tomorrow, and you can like live a normal life. So just see the bigger picture instead of like, you know, thinking about what the society is going to think, because society सच में बहुत कुछ सोचती है, and really, like, it's your life and you should rule it. So on that note, I'm going to end this video. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, so that's what I felt for this entire thing. I was really taken back from this video, and I was like, wow, this is so amazing. So that's what I wanted to make a reaction make a reaction video out of this. So yeah, so that's what. So I hope you guys like it, and yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. I really need your support, and also share this video if you agree with me, and comment down below about how you felt about this entire video. So yeah, this is Amir Rudra, the Fat Girl. Bye. Have a great day. Sorry. Bye. Always.